Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lala Peace Corner. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make shuku corn roll. So first of all, we washed our customer's hair and blow dry it. So I section it into four parts. So I'm going to be working with these other parts that I did not um clip away. I didn't put rubber band, so I'm going to be working on that part first. And in this video, I didn't use any braiding gel. You know those days now when we used to make hair and not use any braiding gel. That's what I'm doing on this video. I'm not going to make use of any braiding gel. I'm just going to be using hair cream only. So enjoy the rest of the video. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and don't forget to share your thoughts on this video. And if you have any video you want me to do for you, put it down on the comment section below. I'll gladly do it. So enjoy the video and I will see you at the end of the video. So guys, I'm done with the hair and I'm using my scissors to remove, to trim out flyaways hair, to trim out those excess hair on the extensions. So I've dipped the end of the extension also inside hot water, and I've used my mousse and setting spray to apply on the hair, and then this is the final look. I hope you learn one or two from this video, and thank you for always coming by to stop and watch my video. I really appreciate it. I will see you on my next video. Bye. Till then, bye. Please, if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a video.